Assalamualaikum learners, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am Rahila, your history and geography teacher. Class 7, unit number 2, it's your fourth lecture. This is unit number 2, its name is Earth Alive. In this unit, you will learn about plate tectonics, folding process and earthquakes. Learners, open your book, page number 7. The topic is Earth's internal structure. Now we start reading. Learning about the Earth's internal structure will give us a greater understanding of plate tectonics. The Earth's internal structure is made up of three zones: the core, the mantle, and the crust. The core is the innermost zone. Scientists believe that it is made up mainly of iron and nickel. The temperatures in the core are about 3000 degrees centigrade to 5000 degrees centigrade. The mantle lies between the core and the crust. Scientists also believe that it is made up of rocks. It is mainly molten. The temperatures in the mantle are about 800 degrees centigrade to 1600 degrees centigrade. The crust is the outermost zone. It is made up of a very thin layer of rocks. Learners, in figure 2.1, you can observe the internal structure of the earth. The next topic is plate tectonics and plate movements. Plate tectonics is the study of the changes that are taking place in the Earth's crust and the internal geological forces that bring about these changes. The word tectonics comes from the Greek word tecton, which means a builder. It is a theory that describes how the Earth's crust is made up of plates and how these plates move across the Earth's surface. Due to these geological forces, the Earth's crust is constantly being destroyed and created at the same time. The Earth's crust is made up of several major and minor plates. Figure 2.2 shows the major and minor plates that form the Earth's crust. The plates and the top parts of the mantle make up the lithosphere. Lithosphere means the solid part of the Earth consisting of the crust and outer mantle. The place where two crustal plates meet is called the plate boundary. Learners, in figure 2.2, you can observe the Earth's major plates. Number 1, convergent plate boundary. Convergent means tending to come together from different directions. Number 2, divergent plate boundary. Divergent means tending to move apart in different directions. Transform plate boundary. Transform means change or alter in form, appearance, or nature. Number 4, boundary uncertain. Boundary uncertain means a line that indicates a boundary. Learners, turn page number 8. The topic is types of crustal plates. There are two types of crustal plates. Number 1, continental plates. Continental plates are made up of continents and parts of oceans. For example, the Eurasian plate. Continental plates are comparatively less dense and lighter from oceanic plates because they are made up of lighter elements like silicon, feldspar. Feldspar means hard crystalline minerals, oxygen and aluminium with the relative density of usually less than 3. They are also thicker than oceanic plates. As they are less dense than oceanic plates, they rest higher on the mantle. Number 2, oceanic plates. Oceanic plates are the land area beneath the sea. They form the seabed. An example of an oceanic plate is the Pacific plate, thinner but denser than continental plates. Oceanic plates are made up of heavier elements such as magnesium and iron with the relative density of usually more than 3. As they are denser, they usually rest lower on the mantle. Now open page number 9. On this page, the topic is plate tectonics in Pakistan. Pakistan lies at the boundary of two crustal plates, the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate, figure 2.3. Both the Indo-Australian and the Eurasian plates are continental plates. The boundary between the plates cuts across the center of Pakistan in a northeast and southwest direction. The destructive plate boundary, where the Indo-Australian plate collides into the Eurasian plate, extends from Makran in Balochistan to the Hazara in Kashmir, Sindh, Punjab, and Kashmir are located on the margin of the Indo-Australian plate, whereas Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are located on the margin of the Eurasian plate. As both the Indo-Australian and the Eurasian plates are of the same density, when they collide, folding occurs. Figure 2.4 shows the process of folding that led to the formation of the Himalayan fold mountain range. As the Indo-Australian and the Eurasian plates are still moving towards each other, the Himalayas continues to increase in height every year. Also, as the two plates continue to move toward each other, so do earthquakes continue to occur in Pakistan and the neighboring countries. In fact, one of Pakistan's deadline earthquakes 7.6 on the Richter scale occurred in 2005 in Pakistan administered Kashmir. The earthquake was caused by a severe upthrust and left about 79,000 dead. Do you see a pattern between plate tectonics and earthquakes in Pakistan? On this page, there is a map in figure 2.3. You can observe the location of the two continental plates in Pakistan, and in figure the formation of the Himalayan mountain range as a result of the process of folding. Learners, turn page number 10. On this page, there is a flow chart about plate tectonics. Learn it and make it on loose sheets. Plate tectonics. What is plate tectonics? Explain the movement of crustal plates on Earth. Crustal plates consist of major and minor plates. Oceanic plates, thinner, made of heavier material, sites lower on the mantle. Continental plates, thicker, made of lighter materials, sits higher on the mantle. How do plates move? Collide with each other. Subduction occurs, folding occurs, forms fold mountains, move away from each other, seafloor spreading occur, ocean trenches and Iceland arcs form, slide past each other, faulting occur.